In this video, I will show you how to navigate through your Zoom home screen. When you open your Zoom application, your home screen should look something like this. You'll have these 4 icons up here where you can start a new meeting, join a meeting, schedule a meeting, and share your screen. Below these icons, you have your calendar where you can see any upcoming meetings you have scheduled. And you can change which day you're looking at by clicking the calendar icon here. And then to the right-hand side of your screen, you'll have your AI companion where you could ask questions. And up at the top, you will see which page you're looking at. So currently we're on our home page, and we can click to the meetings page where you can see any upcoming meetings you have. You can click through your calendar here and see a list view of which calendars you have upcoming in the next week. So if you can see, I have 2 examples here. And then outside of our meetings page, we have our team chat where you can send and receive direct messages. And then you also have your scheduler and your workspaces, which you won't need for the purpose of our videos. In the next few videos, I will show you how to host a meeting and invite people to your scheduled meeting and then share your screen while you're in the meeting.